Hi everyone, we're going to make some butternut squash today. Butternut squash soup is something that we had at Christmas and I loved it so much I'm going to make it today and I've videoed it for you. So we've got 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan with 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Doesn't matter how perfect everything is because we're going to be blitzing it later on. We've put in 1 large onion there as well, mix that together. And we're going to saute that for a little bit, probably about a minute, and now we're putting in 1 large potato which is chopped as well. Going in with 2 medium butternut squash which are peeled and chopped. So 1 pot dish as soup normally is, and we're just going to throw in all of the vegetables and cook them down before we add the stock. So that's all the butternut squash that's gone in now. And we've got some salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of pepper going in there and half a teaspoon of chilli flakes. You can omit the chilli flakes if you don't want it to be spicy, but I quite like it, and so does the family, so we've put a few chilli flakes in there. So I forgot the celery, I put in a couple of stalks of celery in there as well. Yes, it is, it's all good for you. So mix that in, and then we're going to cover that for 6 to 7 minutes. I've put 5 minutes because I've done 2 minutes already. And 7 minutes later we're going to make up the stock. We're using vegetable stock cubes, 2 stock cubes in a litre of water there. So make the stock up as shown, and then we're going to be putting that straight in to the vegetables. Stir that around, and then we're going to put the lid back on and cook that until the vegetables are tender. Probably take about 20 minutes. But do keep an eye on it as well, so every 5 minutes go back to it and give it a stir. I'm going to put the lid on now. So 20 minutes later we're going to check that. Vegetables using the back of a spoon, the side of the spoon, and check the potatoes as well. They're not quite done yet, so we're going to put it in for another 5 minutes. Now they look done. I normally just press the vegetables against the side of the pan, and if they're soft enough then I know they're done. So that is done now, so I'm going to allow that to cool for a bit before blitzing. So add the mixture to the jug. I'm going to put the lid on, and then we're going to blitz away. Simple as that. If you want, you can actually add cream at the end after you've blitzed all the vegetables. I didn't on this occasion because I didn't actually have any, but then I thought let's just make it a little bit healthier, so I'm just going to blitz it and we're going to just have it. Amazing, look at that orange. So pour out the mixture when done. It's a complete smooth mixture now. It smells amazing. I wish I had smelly vision. And that's your soup done. Please do share with your friends and family and your social media groups. Subscribe to Hangry Bird, and I hope you love this recipe. Quite simple and quick to make, and makes an excellent starter or lunch. I normally serve it with some warm bread, and with butter on it. Amazing. If you've got fresh parsley, please put fresh parsley on top. I didn't have any, so I've just sprinkled some of the dry stuff on there. And there you go. That's your butternut squash done. Enjoy. Hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.